Hello, so the journal title is The Center of Marine Shore Fish Biodiversity, the Philippine Islands. So, in this article, the marine biodiversity and marine shore fishes is involved, and it occurs in the Indo-Malay Philippines Archipelago, or IMPA, and we focus on the Philippines, which has higher concentration of species per unit area and also has the highest diversity at different taxonomic levels. So what are the distribution patterns? So this is the Philippines, and they distribute around the shaded area as shown in the map. Why does this happen? There are four hypotheses at first, which is area of overlap, area of accumulation, area of refuge, and center of origin. However, only the center of origin hypothesis was proven in this journal. So the large shelf areas, other factors are the large shelf areas of IMPA were exposed, and they experienced local marine extinctions during the low sea levels. And also, the Pleistocene exposed area focus on two major marine habitats, which are Philippine Island and also the area at MALAYSIA. The distribution earlier also occurred due to integration of islands and also concentrated allopatric speciation. So how and when does this happen? Potential isolation of seas happened during the Pleistocene sea level lows, and also tectonic movements occurred. During Pleistocene Ice Age, Philippine seas and other seas were potentially isolated through land barriers and perhaps cooler surface sea temperature. So primary subduction zone shifting also occurred, and the figure shows the meaning of allopatric speciation, and this is the Philippine Sea, and the blue one is the subduction zone. An amalgamation process, which is integration, also provided conditions for allopatric speciation, and also all of this happened during the Miocene, Pliocene, and Pleistocene era. So some of the evidences are for extinction. The evidences are the land loss, cooling, and increase of turbidity during Pleistocene glacial maxima, and also the observed populations of giant clam roots also provide some evidence, and the molecular phylogeographic studies and also comparative molecular phylogeographic studies across the basin proximal to the Philippines and the major geological elements of archipelago. So that's all. Thank you.